EcoStruxure Facility Expert is a powerful application that can help make your business more effective for you and your customers. Your customers' electrical equipment and historical data are now available at your fingertips, where you can quickly access the right information that'll help maintain your customers' equipment at any time. No more lost time searching for old records. Instead, connect to Facility Expert's asset database that can give you the tools to effectively manage long-term maintenance schedules and planning capabilities. Easily share that information with your team to coordinate work orders and get the job done. Take ownership of your schedule by logging your maintenance activity directly in the app, allowing you to troubleshoot and provide preventative care for your customer. Build your customers' trust by downloading the free Facility Expert app. Get the right work done faster and get back to growing your business. Work smarter and do more with EcoStruxure Facility Expert.